Welcome to TAPOSHI Education Tutorials. Decomposition reaction. Under we discuss about the electrolytic decomposition reaction. For your better understanding, I hope student you watch part 9. Now here we discuss the electrolytic decomposition reaction. Electrolytic decomposition reactions, those such chemical decomposition reactions occur when an electric current is passed through an aqueous solution of a compound. Okay student, when the current is passed through the water in presence of the small amount of electrolyte, that means pure water cannot conduct electricity. Okay, so that's why the small amount of the electrolyte like acid is added to water in order to make it behave as a conductor. Here I given a electrolysis process occurs in this picture. You can clearly understand what actually happen in electrolytic decomposition reaction. In this voltmeter, you can say the electrolysis occurs under a voltmeter. Okay, so in this reaction systems, it is the anode portion and it is the cathode portion. The water breaking down and produce the hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Oxygen gas release in anode portion and hydrogen gas release in cathode portion. In the experiment, you can easily identify there which gases are produced and which site. That means a burning hydrogen produces the prop sound, and you know that oxygen helps to combustion. So when the oxygens are burnt, it produces a blue light. Like, okay student, now we discuss about the when the electrolysis of molten sodium chloride is done, then we get the metals on cathode, metal on cathode, that means sodium, and chlorine gas on anode. In this arrangement, you can easily understood what actually electrolysis process occur in these systems. Okay student, now we discuss about the decomposition reaction under photo decomposition reaction. Photo decomposition reaction, that means in this word photo, that means the sunlight need to decompose this chemical reaction. That means those chemical reaction occurs in the presence of sunlight. That means photons. This reaction are called the photo decomposition reaction. Here the silver chloride in the presence of sunlight produce the silver and chlorine gas. Okay, another example like a silver bromide in the presence of the sunlight, and it's from the silver and chlorine gas also. As a rule of thumb, the most of the decomposition reaction are endothermic reaction, since energy either in the form of heat and electric current or sunlight must be provided in order to break the bonds of more complex molecules. Okay student, and as nowadays the majority of the people are using the digital camera and mobile cameras for the photography, but initially it was only the real camera which was used to take the photograph. The reel or photograph film of the camera coated with the silver bromide. When the reel is exposed to light, the image is formed on it, which is called the negative, the Latin image. The negative is dipped into the hypo solution, a chemical whose name is the sodium thiosulfate, to make the permanent image. I hope student you like this video. Thank you for watching, and I will come the next portion of this chapter. Thank you for watching again.